got point.
Put your hands up and get down slowly!
Taking refuge in the area and are refusing to cooperate. Move in, remember your use of force, and secure the area.
Zip them up.
I'll get them ready.
We're not here for you.
Imagine seeing this and being like, a civilian is ready. Elephants talk. Civilian is secured.
Trailers incoming.
Man the door. Deploy flashbangs.
Moving into place. Breaching.
Police! Put it down slowly! Giving up!
Good here.
Going into
I'll zip it out.
Safe.
I'm here to collect
Talk.
the debt.
Secure.
Now can I get it and go?
Entry team, this is Todd. Keep going.
What the fuck?
Came to collect the debt. Oh, obviously I came in
Goddamn
bad
wait,
time.
motherfucker! Let's talk about this. Go your way, or go my way. No one has to die here. Alright? Fuck you! No goddamn way, motherfucker! Fuck you! I dropped him, alright?
Securing. Watch it. One poke of a needle in you. I'm all zipped up.
One thought. Compliant.
Dock to entry team. Notify trailers.
Your outfit. Help us.
Must have gotten the wrong address.
They deserve something better. I can't do this anymore.
Tell me, we run security around here. This part of town look safe to you?
I got it. Don't worry, we're with the LSPD. Civilian
My
restraint.
child.
Ready for transport. Good to go.
Element.
You grow up and have nothing? Nothing like me? This is the last time.
You're making a mistake.
Oh shit! Get down! Put my hand through your fucking head!
Put that fucking gun
Now
down!
go back to the inside!
Let me see
Alright, but I didn't do nothing.
Police, get down!
You got the wrong guy here. Easy, cowboy.
Making it safe.
I got nothing on me.
Zipped up and good to go.
God!
Move and clear.
Getting into position.
Here! Something.
On the right.
Alright, you got him. That's it.
Looks clear over here, boss.
Got him. Got it bagged. Good to go. Check for any kids.
Nothing.
Check evidence. Good to go.
On my six.
I got you.
We're gonna get you out of here.
I just want a future for my
Civilian
boys.
secured.
Dock reporting. Continue with objective.
Open and deploy flashbangs.
What are you gonna do?
Gonna bang it. Open it on the right. Great place for a town like
Go goddamn way, motherfucker! Oh, shit! Oh.
Looks clear over here, boss.
I'm
God damn!
Suspect is down with breathing.
Talk to lead.
Oh!
Fuck away from me!
Get down! Put your hands up!
See what happens if you touch me. I'm not gonna do
Down on
anything.
your knees! Turn around slowly. We're not here for you.
Oh God, someone called the cops.
Entry team to talk. Civilian in custody and secured. Fall in behind me.
Guys to
Lead,
6.
This is Talk. We're ready.
Move in. Clear it.
Confirm. Locked. How do you want to do it?
Unlock it.
Picking. What a shithole. Unlocked. Breaching! Opening on the right.
Light 6 out.
This is Talk.
Another here, sir.
And proceed with mission.
Coming into handcuffs. Suspect ready to go. Making it safe.
Oh!